Hey everyone, it's Andrew Howell here from RE/MAX Sarnia Realty, and boy do I have something special for you today. 1412 Sylvan Court. Let's jump into my top 5 favorite things about this property. And coming in at number 1 is the fantastic location. Right across the road from the Howard Watson Nature Trail, local tennis courts, and top schools. It's a perfect spot for your family.
You don't even care. I wanted more than you could give me. You were afraid to see what.
And coming in at number 2 is the pristine, almost half-acre yard. With a hot tub, interlock patio, and no rear neighbors, it's the ideal place to relax. And coming in at number 3 is your reason to stay home all year round. With in-floor heat, a kidney-shaped pool, and your own sauna, this is your own oasis. Let's get into number 4. After a fun day in the pool, you'll be all tuckered out, so let's head downstairs to the theater room. And last, but definitely not least, is number 5, this incredible 27 by 22 great room with soaring ceilings and a beautiful kitchen.